Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio, open waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 7 nautical miles southeast of North Cape, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Reno Beach,